Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to move Xfinity service to new address. So of course if you're changing, then first of all you have to just go to Google and basically you have to just go to the Xfinity website, right? So as you can see here, so we have to click on Xfinity and here they have listed the method as well as the solution, right? So how to transfer your Xfinity service to new address? It's very easy to transfer basically, right? So here moving your Xfinity service, so first of all you have to visit this website, right? As you can see here, xfinity.com/moving, right? So here we will right click on it and we will just go to a new page and let it load here, and then you have to click look up your new address, right? So here you can see, so we have to click here look up your new address, and after that we have to see that website let you know that if your new address is in Xfinity service or not, right? So basically this will check your eligibility, right? You can also reach this page by clicking move or transfer service into account details section. So if not, because if your area, if your location is not in Xfinity services area, then you can just right click on it and we will also show you how you can do it, right? So here you can just look for the services and basically you can give them feedback. Just basically you can also call them, and after that you can order them online and they will help you know that how they will move into your location. So we will just come back here. So you have to sign in into your Xfinity ID, right? So you can just sign in by using your email, mobile, or username, and once you have entered it, you have to just click on let's go, right? And after that, as you can see here, once you have login, enter the best phone number to reach you, because they're asking for your active phone number so they can spam, the date you would like to stop service at your current address and your new address, then click keep moving, right? So here, as you can see here, the page will look like this, and of course the number, phone number, the date, and as well as the location, right? And click on keep moving. If your new address is outside of the Xfinity service, if you are referred to the moving outside, as you can see here, basically they are talking about this stuff, right? You can make changes to your plan once you have made a choice, right? So basically if you want to change something, you can change it afterwards, right? Here it will ask you that basically the changes about, right? And this is a note, you can just read about this, and after that next we will show you your installation option. Depending upon your plans or equipment, you may be asked to choose between self installation, self install plus a professional install, right? So they will give you all three options, and of course they're going to charge you for that, right? So as you can see here, I will install service myself. Of course it's going to be cost to zero, and after that self install plus $40, and professional it's around $100, right? And you can choose the any of the plan, and again just click on keep moving. And if self install plus a professional, and you can just check this out, basically they have give you some of the different information that is very important to know about, and then this is a thank you for moving with Xfinity, and after that everything is, they will just verify each and everything and you can just do it by yourself and it's done, right? So in just few minutes or in hours they will contact you, and after that it will be done. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.